हाँ पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अच्छे व्हाट विल बी दी टॉप प्रायोरिटी इन दी डेवलपमेंट गोल ऑफ ए लैंडलेस लेबरर कौन आंसर हवा समस्ते चैट बॉक्स यूज करबा हैं यस मोर डेज ऑफ द वर्क एंड वेजेस हेनो हेनो क्लिक कर दे प्रीतम प्रीतम क्लिक करो वेरी गुड this is the option number B is the right answers okay then come to the next questions yes question number 2 पढ़ो समस्ते पहला समस्ते भल से पढ़ो what will be the aspirations of an educated or urban unemployed youth which will be the right answer
ऑप्शन सी सर।
option C any other students हैं
ऑप्शन सी।
option C all students option C yes very good
यस सर।
okay an urban educated unemployed will aspire for good job opportunities where his education can be made use of very good come to the question number 3 next question पूरा समझते समझते रेस्पॉन्स करो all students response please हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आके निगेटिव ने प्रीतम हाँ
ऑप्शन सी है थर्ड भी।
थर्ड कण देइछे पूरा क्वेश्चन पढ़ो समझते हरबर नहीं हो टी हरबर हवा दरकार नहीं तुम जान हाँ पिक आउट दी करेक्ट मीनिंग लिस्टेड बिलो टू डिफाइन एवरेज इनकम के केंद्र डिफाइन करा हवा तु कहलु ऑप्शन सी देइछे फर्स्ट देइछे एवरेज इनकम ऑफ द कंट्री मीन्स द टोटल इनकम ऑफ द कंट्री ठीक है दिस इज नॉट द एवरेज इनकम इज ए कंट्री इज द इनकम ऑफ ओनली एम्प्लॉयड पीपल इट हैव नहीं से तो एवरेज इनकम इज द सेम एज पर कैपिटा इनकम बोले ऑप्शन सी केते जन ऑप्शन सी कहउछ हां कह
सर ऑप्शन सर कह लगी एवरेज इनकम ऑफ ए कंट्री इज द टोटल इनकम ऑफ द कंट्री डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कंट्री
वेरी गुड ओके देन समस्त जानलो देलो ऑप्शन सी होजे ताने हमें पर कैपिटा इनकम माने कना द एवरेज इनकम इज द सेम एज पर कैपिटा इनकम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कना लिखाई छे पढ़ो समस्ते व्हिच कंट्री can be considered as a developed country in the modern world select your answer from the following statements can country के हमें डेवलप कंट्री हिसाब रे कहमा ओके कैन कंट्री के डेवलप कहमा
सर ऑप्शन बी कंट्रीज विच यस सर ऑप्शन बी ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स आर कंसीडर्ड टू बी डेवलप्ड
yes which option will be right answer yes very good option B that is countries which are among the highest in the human development index ओके ओके टी देख रोक रोक टी ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट से काना नहीं ऐसी which are important components that are taken for calculating the human index which are important components that you are taking for the
सर ग्रोथ नेशनल प्रोडक्ट तब लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी ऑफ एट बर्थ और जी सर इन मीन ईयर ऑफ स्कूलिंग ऑफ पीपल एज 25 इयर्स एंड अबव
yes education income and लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी नहीं हेल्थ तीन टा इन नौछु आमे हेल्थ एजुकेशन आउट होचे इनकम ठीक अच्छे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो ऑप्शन बी होचे राइट आंसर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्रीतम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कणा আছে
सर ओनली
हाँ वो पढ़ो क्वेश्चन पढ़ो money cannot
buy all the goods and services
हाँ
that we may need to have a good life.
yes
List of things required for a good life is given below. Which among the following are the things money cannot buy?
yes money cannot buy which thing money cannot buy okay so many things you are required to live a comfortable life both the material things as well as non-material things material things means money or wealth non-material things which cannot buy the money okay केनटा मैं बाय नहीं करि पारू
सर 3 नंबर ऑप्शन इन गुटे का लिखा है ये 1 2 8 इन लिखा है गुटे सर डी नंबर ऑप्शन
रो हेटा 3 नंबर हेटा
E heba sir 1 and IV.
এটা আই ট্রিপল আই ওটা ইন হয়ে যাইছে ট্রিপল আই এটা ওকে কেনটা answer will be D which means
D.
yes full protection from infectious disease आमे पैसा द्वारा infectious disease के आमे बाय करने पारू और 10 नंबर होचे pollution free atmosphere every part of the country
G L भी मरु.
which means option number D is the right answer. Okay, next question. Next question. Yes, SDI stands for Human Development Index that focuses on fill in the blanks with one of the following option. Kana focus करसी focuses on देखो इन दीजिए ऑप्शन चार्टा ऑप्शन फर्स्ट वन इज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी सेकंड ऑप्शन इज ग्रॉस एनरोलमेंट रेशियो फॉर 3 levels of schooling and third one is your national income. Which is the right answer? Please respond all students.
Sir, all of the above.
Yes, very good.
All of the above.
Yes, option D is the right answer. Very good. Next question. Yes, next question. जने पढ़ो कि जने पद्मलोचन पढ़ दो काना আছে क्वेश्चन
हाँ सर Kerala has a low infant mortality rate. What could be the reason? Find the correct answer from the following.
yes okay কেনটা হবা কেরলা হচ্ছে লো ইনফ্যান্ট মোর্টালিটি রয়েছে IMR is very low in Kerala and what is the main reason behind that কারণ main reason কে কই পারবো which option is the right answer Kerala has low infant mortality rate because all girls are trained at the primary level schooling to look after newborn child because most of the girls are nurses in the Kerala or because of the Kerala has very high female literacy rate and adequate health facilities are available for both mothers and children. And last one that is Kerala's good climate conditions help infants to survive. Can you answer now?
Sir, C note haba.
Very good.
C.
Can you have
C sir.
C के D?
C sir.
C. Yes, C hava. C is the right answer because Kerala has very high female literacy rate and adequate healthcare facilities available for mothers and children. That's where the infant mortality rates of in the states of Kerala is very low or IMR is very low. Come to the next question. Next question.
आइला सर
हाँ पढ़ो आज जना पढ़ो कि अन्य जना पढ़ो पढ़ो व्हाट वुड बी दी पढ़ो शीघ्र पढ़ो तुम अन्य जना पढ़ो साथ साथ पढ़ो प्रीतम पढ़ पढ़
सॉरी
पढ़ हाँ पढ़ क्वेश्चन पढ़
सर पोली क्वेश्चन
नहीं शुभला किसी
to be most
okay what would be the most promising source of energy 50 years from now and where माने 50 वर्ष पर केनटा ताने promising source of energy हवा बोले केनटा हवा ऑप्शन which will be the right answers out of 4 options
sir B
yes B will be the
B sir B
yes solar energy because it is not exhaustible. Okay next question. Next question देखो पढ़ो pick out the cause from below that enhances environmental degradation. Pick out the cause below माने केनटा ताने environmental degradation के enhance करसी increase करसी
Sir D हवा
yes D will be the right answer. All are agree?
sir D yes sir
हाँ काना लिखा है allow increase in the level of exhaust from the emitted cars buses and trucks. These are the main cause of the environmental degradations or what pollutions yes or no okay
pollution
so all three options that are ban on use of plastic bags or planting of trees preventions of factory waste and getting mixed up with river water these are the what
conservation measure of
environment yes environment
conservation measure
Very good. Next question. Next question. ଆଉ ଜଣେ ପଢ଼ ଜୟରାମ
sir.
ଜୟରାମ ପଢ଼ ତ ଜୟରାମ ଶୁଭୁଛି କି ନାହିଁ ତୋତେ
हाँ सर
ହଁ ପଢ଼
which is the most common method of measuring economic development
yes which is the common method of measuring economic development very simplest easiest method of measuring development which is the main yardstick or measuring rods okay in which you can
Income.
yes
income
yes option number B is the right answer income is the one of the measuring rod or yardstick by which you can measure the economic development of the country okay very good next question okay next question what brings about staple income okay which out of four option which option is the right answer କାଣା ହେବା ଅନ୍ତର୍ଯାମୀ
Sir, option C.
option C all are agree all of the students are agree with this ତିତିକ୍ଷା କାଁ ବୁଝୁଛୁ
sir
हाँ sir, regular work.
yes sir
yes very good
Yes sir, कहली.
हाँ ठीक ଅଛି क्लिक कर ऑप्शन सी के क्लिक कर वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन काଣା আছে পড় অন্য জনে পড় পড় টাইম ওয়েস্ট नहीं करो पढ़ शीघ्र पढ़बो पद्मलोचन पढ़
yes sir besides seeking more income there is something people resent what is it
yes here is a word there is recent what does it mean recent recent mean again sent yes or no any students are you agree besides seeking more income there is something people resent what is it
Sir, B. Discrimination. Yes sir. Option B.
option B is the discrimination is it right answer what do you mean by I am telling about the word recent what do you mean by recent in this context of the sentence what do you mean by recent yes anybody else पद्मलोचन अंतर्जामी other students recent बोले क्या वो इन असंतोष
Sir,
yes हाँ
हाँ टा.
dissatisfaction
टा कहूଥିଲି sir.
discontentment okay dissatisfaction discontentment not feeling well is the meaning of word recent okay besides seeking more income there is something people dissatisfied or discontented were which option this is the option number B discriminations people did not like to be discriminated okay so next question what is question number 13 yes पढ़ो आओ जने कि जने पढ़ो what is the पढ़ो तितिक्षा पढ़ दो
What is the one factor on which our life depends? What is the one factor on which our life depends?
yes
Sir,
can
answer
factor
होगा option C. Freedom sir. I think that
freedom है वहाँ sir
option D sir.
option
Freedom.
भल से क्वेश्चन भल से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन टी भल से पढ़ो
मते मैं सर कहली option C.
हाँ क्वेश्चन भल से टी पढ़ो माने you are there are two factors that you are depend on okay one is your material factor second one is your non material factors one is your two variables that is one your what material factors and second one is your non material factor here the question say about one factor not telling about second factor one factor which means which factor it will be money it will be the wealth which means it will be the material things okay so option number C will be the right answer money or material things that one can buy with it okay this that's why this is the right answers next question come to the question number 14 yes yes पढ़ो कि जने पढ़ो शीघ्र पढ़ो
सर 2-3 जन पढुछन अलगा नै पढबा
हाँ पढ़ नहीं किसी नहीं हम डिस्कशन कर दो ना
If women are engaged in paid work, what difference does it make?
यस कौन है आंसर
D हवा सर
आंसर डी वेरी गुड
The dignity in the household and society increases.
yeah the dignity in the household and society increases okay very good clicking on that option number right D is the right answer next question different person could have what different person could have dash notions of a country's development can I have answer same notion
Sir, different as well as conflicting.
yes yes very good option number A is the right answer
Yes, sir. Option as well as.
yes different as well as conflicting very good next question question number 16 अंतर्जामी पढ़ दो question number 16
Sir, what is considered to be one of the most important attributes when we compare countries at a level of development?
yes level of development হিসাবে can I contribute করে এসি what is considered to be one of the important attributes
Sir, income. Sir, income.
we compare countries at the levels of development very good income will be the right answer here question is what do you mean by attributes attributes বলে কেন বুঝছো what do you mean attributes
प्रतिदान की हंती गुड़े कना उठे उड़िया रे हवा.
no I am not telling about the meaning of the Odia only you should know meaning of the Odia as well as English only know the meaning okay you know in the Odia or whatever language it is not matter only you have to know the meaning you may know in Hindi you may know in Sanskrit you may know in any regional languages okay you may know Arabic languages that is not matter but you know only the meaning okay অর্থ কাଣା তার এটার অর্থ জানবার আছে তুমি জ্ঞান ভাষা জানবা কিছু নেই না অর্থ হচ্ছে ইট ইজ দ্য ডিস্টিংক্ট ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স অর দ্য নেচার অর দ্য প্রিন্সিপল ওকে হুইচ মিন্স অ্যাট্রিবিউটস বুঝছো কি নেই অ্যাট্রিবিউটস মানে ওটে
In simple word factor.
প্রকৃতি ହେଲା
Sir, factor भी हवा नहीं.
yes মানে ফ্যাক্টর नहीं হয় ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক হওয়া ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স ফিচর্স বিশেষত্ব হওয়া বৈশিষ্ট্য ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଯଦି କହମା ବେଲେ ପ୍ରବୃତ୍ତି ହେବା ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 मोर इनकम मीन्स जनकर इनकम बेसी बोला बेले काना हेबा देयर बी व्हाट मोर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग विल बी इंक्रीज ओके लाइफ विल बी कंफर्ट लाइफ विल बी इजी व्हिच मीन्स वी कैन गेट मोर एंड मोर थिंग्स we can satisfy our so many wants
More of all things that human beings needs.
yes we needs all the needs will be fulfilled more needs will be fulfilled which means option number B is the right answers okay very good next question question number 18 come to the question number 18 yes
এটা স্যার জনা পড়ুছে পুরা.
কানা কো dex is the total income of the country
per capita income
yes yes which means option number yes A is the right answer very good per capita income okay next question जानलो बोले मु बहुत खुशी है तुम सब आंसर जानवा कथा हाँ next question को
sir gross income हवा
हाँ
हां सर ग्रोसिंग
in world development report brought out by the world bank which criterion is used in classifying countries काना हवा भल से टिके भल से पढ़ो deeply study the questions deeply yes very good option number C will be the right answer okay the world bank not taking only income only taking income by dividing the whole populations which means taking per capita income PCI okay
human development index में sir gross income थी
yes नहीं in human development index also they are also taking per capita income not taking directly the gross income be remember this the human development index which is developed by UNDP where also not taking the gross income they are taking also per capita income for calculating the human development index Be remember this. Okay. Come to the next question. Yes.
Sir, এটা শ্রীলঙ্কা হবা।
Sri Lanka haba sir.
First read out the questions. What I am telling.
Which of the following neighboring country has better performance in term of human development than India?
Yes. It is Sri Lanka. We have
Sri Lanka.
analyzed the
Sri Lanka.
table given in the book. In that book, we analyze and informed that what Sri Lanka have the what right good performance or better performance of human development
Sir, explain
than
the
India.
question.
Eh?
Sir, explain the question আছে.
Next question. Next question. Yes. For countries with per capita income of US dollars per annum and above in 2017 are called rich countries. Rich country काहे को हमें केते डॉलर हेले
Sir, 12,056.
12,236 sir.
Eh?
sir 46 ଆପଣଙ୍କର option ରେ ଅଛି.
1250 12,056 हवा एटा 12,056
हाँ सर मैं हेडा कहली फास्ट मैं कहली हाँ 1256
1200 no 12,000
12,050 हाँ 12,000 सर मैं कहली फास्ट
हैं
sir 12,236 ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଥିଲି sir.
देखिजु
एटा 2017 रो नहीं थिबो आउ 17 रो नहीं थिबो आउटे कोतरो थिबो
हाँ हाँ हेंदा ही दिवा हे चेक कर देमा यदि क्वेश्चन किसी डाउट अछि चेक करो हला डोंट वरी किंतु ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज राइट आंसर ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन okay countries with per capita income of US or US dollar dash or less are called low income countries which are called low income countries
955 sir
955 yes 955 which means option number C yes very good option number C is the right answer next question
which category does India come under
yes which
Sir,
country
The low middle income countries.
देखो most often come in the examination okay this type of question most often come in your examination be remember this you should instill in your mind be remember this okay which category does India come under low in middle income countries okay which means option number B is the right answer next question
which was India's per capita income in 2017
yes
sir D US dollar 1820 per annum 1820
yes US dollar 1820 per annum is the right answer okay very good next question what can money not buy you okay
Sir, pollution.
sir pollution free environment
देखो unadulterated medicines water pollution free environment organic food A B C can be purchased or can be bought okay through money but you cannot buy pollution free environment yes okay next question click on the option number C very good next question why does Kerala have low infant mortality rate we have already perhaps discussed
sir
A
A
adequate provision of basic health and educational facilities ठीक अच्छे next question okay पढ़ next question पढ़ जने पद्मलोचन पढ़ तो next question
Yes, sir. Over the past decade or so, DEX indicators have come to be widely used along with income as a measure of development.
काना हबा
option D health and education
health and education very good
Sir.
you are taking the one component that is per capita income and two other component are health and education okay by taking all three important component health education and per capita income we are calculating the UNDP calculating the human development index and publishing the human development reports that's why option number B which means health and education will be the right choice or right answer okay next question Okay. Read out. पढ़ो अंतर्जामी पढ़ दो.
Sir, according to the Human Development Report 2018, United Nations Development Program, which two countries have a higher life expectancy and birth rate than India?
हाँ केंडे हवा श्रीलंका म्यांमार पाकिस्तान नेपाल पाकिस्तान बांग्लादेश नेपाल बांग्लादेश. Which will be the right answer? Yes, option.
Nepal, Bangladesh.
Yes, option number D, Nepal and Bangladesh. Right answer. Very good. Next question.
Actually, sir, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, तीनटा जाक होगा.
हाँ श्रीलंका नेपाल बांग्लादेश हवा जेहेतु इन ऑप्शन एंत दिया है हेतले डी हवा. ठीक अच्छे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट इफ यू आर प्रॉपर्ली न्यूरिस्ड. आमे ठीक से माने
Body mass index.
यस body mass index BMI, which is popularly known as BMI, body mass index. Okay, next question. Option number B is the right answer. Question number 30. इन दी हेड है मैंने ही दी लिटरेसी रेट फॉर रूरल पॉपुलेशंस ऑफ मेल्स इन उत्तर प्रदेश इज केते होचे लिटरेसी रेट के जानिछ. ऑप्शन नंबर सी है ना राइट आंसर है 76%. केते परसेंट
76%.
हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
6%.
यस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 31. को इन द डाटा फॉर पर कैपिटा इनकम ऑफ हरियाणा केरला एंड बिहार व्हिच स्टेट हैज द लोएस्ट पर कैपिटा इनकम.
Bihar,
Sir,
sir.
Bihar. Option C.
Very good. Okay, click on the Bihar. Yes. Next question. In the comparative data on Haryana, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh, which state has highest literacy rate? Highest literacy rate क्या रहे?
Haryana.
हैं?
Kerala.
क्या हरियाणा बोल जे वो?
नहीं सर केरला.
कहाँ है भाई सर? केरला हवा है ला. हाँ ऑप्शन नंबर बी केरला हवा है ला. ठीक है बी रे क्लिक करो. यस वेरी गुड केरला माने लिटरेसी रेट सब बोले केरला होचे जानि छ तुम्हें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
हाँ सर पास रे भी थी लाइट है.
हाँ
सर वे भी.
हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 34.
Per capita income is calculated in dash for all countries.
यस
These are dollars.
डॉलर सर.
हाँ वेरी गुड बोले जानी जो ठीक अच्छे बी आने क्लिक करो. हाँ डॉलर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो क्वेश्चन पढ़ो.
300.
About dash districts have reported a water level decline of over 4 meters during the past 20 years. Okay, due to less harvesting of water. Okay, we are harvesting less water. That's what happened. The water not percolate to the grounds. So that what happened? There is a decrease of the water levels of the ground due to the over exploitation and overuse of the groundwaters. Then harvesting. Okay, which means how many districts? 300 districts.
300 sir.
Yes, option number A will be the right answer. Click on the option number A. Next question. Okay, nearly decks of the country is overusing their groundwater reserves. Groundwater reserves केते country माने व्यवहार करिछन. How many countries they are using groundwater? 2/3. Yes, which means option number A. Oh, click on.
1/3.
Eh?
1/3 sir. 1/3 हवा. 1/3 हवा.
Okay, 1/3. Click on the option number 1/3. 1/3 which means option number B will be right answer. Okay. Next question.
where is groundwater overuse particularly found?
yes, Assam, Shillong, Punjab, Karnataka.
Punjab.
yes
Punjab, sir.
हाँ ठीक अच्छे ताहले क्लिक करो पंजाब रे सी रे क्लिक करो वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ग्राउंड वाटर इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ डेक्स रिसोर्स कण हबा ग्राउंड वाटर का रिसोर्स रिन्यूएबल नॉन रिन्यूएबल प्रोटेक्टेड रिजर्व कण हबा
Renewable, sir. Renewable.
यस वेरी गुड ऑप्शन नंबर
Renewable.
हाँ रिन्यूएबल ठीक अच्छे क्लिक करो ऑप्शन नंबर ए रे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यस पढ़ो जने किए जने पढ़ो पदन जन पढ़
Since the second half of the 20th century, a number of scientists have been warning that
हाँ since the second half of the 20th century second half of 20th century means after 1950 the scientists who are warning regarding what health and nutrition is declining per capita is unstable level of resources are not sustainable levels of development are not sustainable which is the right option
Sir, levels of development are not sustainable.
which means option number which
D.
yes option number D is the right answer click on that yes okay the scientists are warning regarding the what unbalanced development okay declining of the development sustainable development I am telling about sustainable development yes or no what is sustainable development
First chapter रे कहै छै।
what is sustainable
The
development
development should take place without harming the environment, and the development of the present could not compromise with the development of the future.
yes development without damaging the environment and without, we cannot compromise the benefit that what you are enjoying to the future generations okay or without compromising the benefits what you are enjoying to the future generation that is called what sustainable development and you in other words you also say the sustainable development means what social development plus economic development plus
Environmental development.
yes very good environmental development okay next question 39 এটা সমস্ত জানার কথা
हाँ sir.
it is obvious and clear crystal clear human development report is
is published by UNDP.
yes then what is the full form of UNDP yes United Nations
United Nations Development Program.
very good next click on that next question what was the literacy rate in Kerala in 2021 census as per 2021 কেতে বলছো
94 sir.
yes okay very good click on that next question yes পড়ো next question কানা লেখা হইছে which of the
Which of the
following
following is most important component for comparing different countries?
yes
Per capita income.
per capita income
capita income.
এটা পড়ি সালানো ক্লিক করে দিও next question in which state of India is the infant mortality rate lowest infant mortality rate আইমাটা কে
Kerala.
কেরালা নে হয় এটা হচ্ছে গোয়া হবা গোয়া ଗୋଟେ স্মল স্টেট ହେଲା ଏଥିଲାଗି କମ୍ ଅଛି ମାନେ ଗୋଆରେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କର
Sir, ଆମେ ହେତେବେଳୁ ପଢି ଆଇଲେ ଯେ କେରଲା ରେ କାହିଁ କମ ହଉଛି ଏବେ ନା?
ହଁ ଯେ ଇନ ଗୋଆ ହବା ଗୋଆ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କିନି
Goa ବହିରେ ନାହିଁ ନା sir?
ବହିରେ ନାଇଁ ନା ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହେଲା ଜାଣିଥ ଖାଲି ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ এটা কেরালা মানে ସବୁ ଦେଇଛେ তোমার গোয়া ନାଇଁ ন କିନ୍ତୁ ତମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିଲେ କେରଳ ବିଷୟରେ আসବା ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ which of the following countries has higher SDI rank than India এটা পড়ি সাইছু ଆମେ
ଶ୍ରୀଲଙ୍କା.
ହଁ
ଶ୍ରୀଲଙ୍କା
yes very good
ଶ୍ରୀଲଙ୍କା.
ঠিক আছে ক্লিক করে দিও ন শ্রীলঙ্কা অপশন এ রে yes next question 44 কাଣା আছে per capita income is কাଣା হবা এটা
Income per person.
income per person income per family income per earning person income per month କାଣା ହବା
per person
income per person
Income per person हवा.
ବୋଲେ କେନ୍ଟା ଅପସନ୍ ହବା
A
हाँ ठीक अच्छे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाँ the countries with a per capita income of US dollar 955 as per 2017 or less are termed as
low income country.
low income countries. Very good. Okay, click on that. Next question. Next question. Yes. Proportions of literate populations in the 7 years and above age is termed as
Literacy rate.
हाँ ठीक
Literacy
है
rate.
लिटरेसी रेट वेरी गुड सी रे क्लिक करो हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन yes human development index compares countries based on which of the following levels of the people काଣା बा एजुकेशनल लेवल हेल्थ स्टेटस पर कैपिटा इनकम ऑल ऑफ द अबव
All of the above, sir. All of the above.
हैं
Option D.
ऑप्शन
Option D.
डी हाँ ठीक अच्छे डी क्लिक करो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाँ पढ़ो काଣା लिखाई छे
काड़ा सर बोला.
which of the following criteria is the basis to measure the development of a country according to UNDP per capita income educational level of the people health status of the people टिके खाली चेंज कर दिया छे ऑल ऑफ द अबव क्लिक करो ना
All of the above.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी रे क्लिक कर हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 49 which of the following is a developmental goal for industrialist गोटे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट डेवलपमेंटल गोल काना व्हाट इज द डेवलपमेंटल गोल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट
To get more electricity.
yes
Get more electricity.
yes to get more electricity very good next question number 50 question number 50 पढ़ो शीघ्र the
Developmental goal for a girl from a rich families.
हाँ काना हवा
To get as much freedom as her brothers
To
get.
get as much freedom as her brother gets.
yes very good click on that okay next question पढ़ो question which one of the following is not a features of developing country of
Mass
feature
poverty.
हैं
Mass poverty.
मास पॉवर्टी ओके मास पॉवर्टी है कि हाई टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट
Mass poverty है sir.
Sir, जुड़े हैं भाई through mass poverty, mass
हाँ हेती लगी ना है ना हाई टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट है ना क्लिक करो बी ऑप्शन के हाई टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्लिक करो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आसन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
only ना sir.
हाँ
केंती सर टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट हाई हेले एडा हवा कोंडी सर.
हाँ टेक्नोलॉजिकल क्या है बोले देखो मास पॉवर्टी रही गोटे डेवलपिंग कंट्री रे पॉवर्टी भी रोचे इंसिडेंस ऑफ पॉवर्टी इज वेरी हाई लिटरेसी इज वेरी हाई एंड दे आल्सो व्हाट हाई इंसिडेंस ऑफ योर हाई डिपेंडेंस ऑन योर एग्रीकल्चर बुझे नहीं तुम
Sir, ଆମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ମାସ୍ ପୋଭର୍ଟି ମାସ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି ଥିଲେ କେନ୍ତାକିରି ହାଇ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେବା ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜିରେ ହେଥିଲାଗି ହେଟା ରଙ୍ଗ.
हाँ माने माने पॉवर्टी अच्छे इलेक्ट्रिसी अच्छे माने कृषि उपरे बेसी डिपेंडेंसी अच्छे ताल केनता करी ता माने हाई टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट हवा के
ନାଇଁ ହୁଏ sir.
हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ दुईटा तीनटा আছে সিরা
Statements defines literacy rate.
यस
Number.
এটা
It
পড়ে
measures the proportion of literacy proportion in the 7 years and above age
हाँ
group.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी क्लिक कर दियो ऑप्शन नंबर डी के
Sir, question रे ଦେଖିଥିଲେ sir.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डेवलपमेंट गोल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट sections of our society can be achieved by काना काना हवा
Democratic political process.
yes democratic political process option number b is the right answer हला तो तुम्हें इटा ई जन मुझे जन तुम डिस्कशन करनी तुमको केंदा लगला ई हिसाब रे
Sir, good.
हैं?
Best.
ठीक अच्छे तो ई हिसाब रे हमें सब चैप्टर डिस्कशन कर दो हम टिके टाइम लागसी इटा करवार लगी ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ ଟିକେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ଏନ୍ତା ହିସାବ କରିଦେବା ବୋଲେ ତୁମେ ବେଶୀ ଆଇଡ଼ିଆ ପାଇଯିବ ହେଲା।
सर एटा सब टेस्ट अटेंड करमुआ
ହଁ ସବୁ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦିଅ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେମି କିଏ କେତେ ମାର୍କ ଆଣିଲ ଯେ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଯିବା ହେଲା। ସମସ୍ତେ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେବ ଏଇଟା। ଆଉ ଯିଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାହିଁବ ବି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ବି ସେୟାର କରିଦେଇଥିମି ହେଲା, ତୁମେ ଦେଖି ବି ପାରବ, ଏନ୍ତା କିଛି ନାହିଁ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଏତେ ଥିବା ଆଜିକା।
Yes, sir.
ହଁ କାଲକେ ଫେର ପଢ଼ମା।